This beautiful and meticulously maintained Soundside townhome features 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, a bonus room, and a loft. This is a rare opportunity to own as it includes your own boat slip and massive oversized garage. This gorgeous unit was completely renovated in 2007 and includes custom cabinetry, newer HVAC system in 2017, a newer washer in 2017, new carpet, and fresh paint. Additional highlights include Trex decking on the balconies, impact-resistant glass windows, and custom-designed bathroom and kitchen. The kitchen offers granite countertops, pantry, breakfast bar, recessed lighting, tile, and is bordered by the dining area and a wet bar. The master bedroom is massive with its own private balcony with great sound views, a large walk-in closet, and the large master bath features a separate walk-in glass shower with travertine tile trim, jetted tub, recessed lighting, and updated fixtures. The large tiled bonus room is located on the first floor and a bonus loft area on the top floor, both providing so much more additional space for living or extra sleeping areas, excellent for vacation renters. This unit makes a perfect primary home, superb vacation rental, or secondary getaway home. Conveniently located down the street from restaurants, entertainment, public beach access to the Gulf, as well as a private community dock and beach. Ask for additional details on this gorgeous one-of-a-kind unit and schedule your private showing today.